Okay, if you're drawing the flow chart, you can see. So when you're drawing the flow chart, so this is first you have to start. After starting, so you have to input. So what are the things to input? Input, you have to input pencils, pens, books, lunch boxes as inputs. Right? Pencils, pens, lunch boxes, books as inputs. You have to input those. Right. So let's input those. Pens, pencils, books, BK, Kiladamu, BK, and lunch boxes, LB. So lunch boxes, LB. We're going to input. Right. Then input pens, pencil, books, and lunch boxes. Then, so what you have to find? You have to find the total bill. Right. Calculate the bill. Total bill, you have to find the, so let's say pen total. Let's calculate pen total. PT kila kiyamu copy. Pen total or PN total. Pen total is equal to number of pens multiplied by the cost, 20 rupees. Right? So likewise, you can find all these credentials. Likewise, you can find all these credentials. Pen total and then pencil total. PC dot. Pencil total is equal to PC pencil. So what is the variable? Pencils. Pencils into price of pencil is 10 rupees. Then that is PC total. Then lunch box total. Lunch box total is equal to LB or lunch boxes, sorry, LB, capital LB into 250. And then book total, let's say BK total is equal to BK book into price of book is 50. So likewise, you can find the total. And so once you find the total, you can find the total bill. How? So since you know the total, now you can find the bill. Bill is equal to PN TOT plus PC TOT plus LB TOT plus BK TOT. So if you add all four, then you can find bill is equal to PN tot, PC tot, LB tot, and BK. Then what you have to do is you have to print the bill. So that's all. Print the bill. So if you can do this, print or display bill. But this is all that you need to write. Have you done this or anything missing? Have you done this or anything? Any doubt?
We
Yes.
can combine the third and fourth one, isn't it?
Third and fourth means this one and processors.
Yes.
Yeah, processors you can combine. That is okay. So these two are processors, adjacent processors you can combine. Possible, but process and display don't combine, right? Display you
Yes,
write
sir.
separately, input you write. So okay, you can combine those. Then the pseudocode is begin. Then you have to tell the same thing. I'm using same. Display bill. And before displaying bill, you have to calculate the bill now. So same thing here, you have to calculate the bill and display bill, and then it's done. So this is how it is completed, and this is end. Right. So then okay, yes.
Input is not there.
Input word in should be there, right? Input part should be there. Otherwise, it's incomplete. Correct. So input part should be there. This is the input part. Right. So after that, you can directly go to the Python program and implement that. And I'm going to write a Python program by opening the shell, then go to the file new, and I have a new file here. Then I can start typing. So basically pens, I can type the same variable. I can input as int input, then I can input enter number of pens. Okay, enter number of pens. Pencils. Then BK books. Then LB lunch boxes. Then print PN total. Sorry. Then you have to calculate PNTOT equal to pens into 20. PC total is equal to pencils into 10. Then LB total is equal to LB into 250, and BK total is equal to BK and 50. Then bill is equal to PNTOT and PC TOT and LB TOT and BK TOT. So just take the total of all four, and you can then get the bill and print it, print the bill. Okay, that's the program. Let's run this and see whether it's running. I'm going to run this, let's say p1.python, the documents. I'm going to save this and run it. It's first asking me, oh, I have printed wrong messages here. I'm going to kill the program. Pencils. Otherwise, it's in books. It's not incorrect. It will work, but it will always ask enter number of pens. lunch boxes. Pens. Okay, now you can see, bill is not defined. So what is that? Capital B should be there. So same capital simple letters you have to use, right? So run and run module. Okay. So asking number of pens, books, pencils, boxes. Look, you can say the bill. So that is so. If you want to give detailed bill, so my advice is, so it is not asked in the question, but my advice is, if you can do something like this in programming, real programming, you will add more code just to make it somewhat nice, right? So you can add these kind of things with a new line, and then, so this is in real program because you have to show this. Some show off is needed, right? So maybe you can write final bill and some spaces and equal marks and spaces, and another one to here with a new line, and I'm going to, new line, this one I'm going to remove a new line here, and then I'll add, okay, print books. Then I'm going to print after that books colon, and then a tab. After the tab, I'm going to enter str string version of book count first pens, sorry, books name, books num book counts bk, and then I'm going to add a multiplication sign, and then I'm going to add the value books වැඩි කරන්න ඕන කියන්නේ 50, then it's equal sign, and then I'm going to add str, then bk tot. So this kind of things can be added to enhance the look. This kind of things can be added to enhance the look. Books, pencils, sorry, books, pens, pencils, and books, pens, pencils, lunch boxes. Pens is P and tot. Lunch boxes LB. And the LB dot. Pens PN dot, pencils PC dot. So likewise, you can print the final bill. So this will be more organized. If you can do something like this, will be more organized. Just give a try, but I'm not sure whether you can understand what I have done. But if not, please let me know, right? So what I have done is I have just added few lines, few more lines to the output. Number of pens I'm giving, and you can see the final bill. It's now calculated and shown. So you can see, so something similar to supermarket receipt that you get with some symbols. Here I miss one character, no? Pens. After that I need two tabs to make spaces, it seems. Okay, then let's save and run it again. And here final bill, I think, so this, let's make some more other character like this. And here also I'll put some other character. The first one, I don't need the new line. Okay, just run it. You can decorate this as you wish, you can decorate. And okay, you can see the found total is there, but now I think you have to add few tabs to display total, or you can say bill. Also, you can say the total bill, and you can give the bill value in this DR format. Anything unclear? Is there anything unclear to you? What has happened? Yes. Is there anything unclear to you? You can ask.
So why did the space given by tab differed in them?
T, tab, this tab.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You're asking why I have given spaces using tabs.
No, the amount of space given was different in
Different in tabs,
tabs.
because you know the natural thing, if I put pen and tab key, you can see the word also, you have that issue, no? Here you can see pen and tab. It go here, it goes here. Then pencil and tab. You can see it goes here. Then lunch boxes and tab. It goes forward, no? So you have to put two tabs to make it equal, no? Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is the issue there, right? Because we cannot tell the exact space that is taken by this. Here for books, it work. Books and space, because pen is short, no? That's why two tabs. But if you add like M pen, so now you can see I have added additional letter. That additional letter will give additional tab now, because the location might be different. Now one tab will be enough. Let's see. Now you can see M pens, two tabs is too much. Understood?
Yes,
Two
sir.
tabs is too much now because of this single letter. Since there was issue in the letter previously, so it actually forces us to use two tabs. That's the thing. Okay, now I think you can write the same and see. So, and I'll give you a small thing. So since rather than writing the same, okay, let's do something like this. Let's go to the next control structure, which is selection. The first one we learned is sequence. Selection. Instruction flow is selected based on a condition. Instruction flow is selected based on a condition. If else is used here. So basically we are using if else there. Instruction flow is based on the condition if else is used here. So example, you can say modify the above program, modify the above program to give 10% discount if 10% discount if modify the above program to give 10% discount if bill value exceeding 10,000 and 5% discount if bill value exceeding 2,500 rupees. No discount otherwise. redraw the flow chart, write pseudocode and program code. Okay, you can add this part to the selection thing. And meanwhile, trying this code in sequence, try to do the second example, which is for selection. Make a karala. You can modify the same program. It's okay to modify the same program, no issue. But you have to draw the flowchart and pseudocode, right? You know the decision symbol is? That is that diamond sign.